Hey you guys, and welcome back to another installment of As Told by Brittany D. And of course, I am Brittany D, and today, as you can see, we are switching it up. So I'm here with my childhood friend, Philly in the house, and I am going to give him a quick retwist. It's been a month and a half since his last retwist, and so we're going to get him back right. And we're only going to do the retwist for today, no styling, just going to keep it nice and simple. And trust me, I am not complaining. So I've been retwisting his locks for the last year now. Fun fact, I actually started his lock journey. See, I told y'all I was taking clients, but y'all didn't believe me. So if you're interested in getting your locks done, just send me a message on Instagram. But yes, we're going to start off by washing and conditioning his locks off camera to save a little bit of time. Of course, I'll have all the products used listed below, so make sure you guys check out the description box. But first, let's switch subjects and talk about Dossier. If you're not familiar with Dossier, it is a vegan and cruelty-free company. All of their scents are inspired by luxury perfumes and colognes, but at a price that won't break the bank. All of their scents start at $29. And remember, if you are interested in trying any of these scents, you can use my code As Told by Brittany to receive 10% off your purchase. And let's say you decided that you do not want to keep the scent. All you have to do is return them within 30 days from receiving it, and Dossier will charge you absolutely nothing. So make sure you guys check the description box below for the website link and the code. And let's jump right back into this tutorial. So like I mentioned, I went ahead and washed and conditioned his locks off camera just to save a little bit of time. And now I'm just going to dry his hair using this handheld dryer. I do have a sit under dryer, but for video purposes, I'm just going to use the handheld one so I don't have to keep moving the camera around. Alright, so now that his hair is dry, we're going to section off some of his locks and begin the retwist. Of course, I'm going to use my favorite locking gel to retwist his locks. You guys know I use this in all my tutorials. As always, if you're interested in purchasing this product, I will have it listed below. And please excuse my son if you guys hear him in my background. You guys know he has no respect, but you gotta love him. But I'm gonna start off by retwisting his locks. Now, I am not retwisting his hair any special way, just doing the same old that I usually do, using the comb method because my nails are kind of long. I got them clank clanks. Y'all hear that? I got them clank clanks. So I will be using a comb for this retwist, but you guys already know that because I use a comb in every retwist. And as always, if you guys are interested in a more in-depth retwist tutorial, you guys know I do have one available on my YouTube channel. Of course, I will have it listed in the iCard above. So go ahead and click that, and you know, and get some tips on how to get a real fresh retwist. But yes, I'm done rambling. Let's get to it. Alright, so we have made it to the end. I am just wrapping up this last lock, and I know you guys have noticed that the sun has set. No, it did not take me all day and night to retwist his hair. You guys know at 5 o'clock it is pitch black outside, so I just want to put that out there. It did not take me a long time to retwist his hair. Okay, I do not want anyone to think that they're going to be in my chair all day because I got things to do just like you, okay? But I'm going to continue smoothing out this lock to help reduce that frizz and new growth and give this lock that nice mature look. But this is pretty much it for this retwist. What I am going to do now is grab that handheld dryer again and allow his hair to dry for a few more minutes because some of his locks were still a little bit damp. So I'm going to allow them a few more minutes underneath the handheld dryer. That way we can reduce the chances of the locks producing a smell or mildewing or anything like that. We do not want any wet, moldy locks. So we need to make sure that they are completely dry. Once they are completely dry, I am going to unravel them and boom, we are done. Shout out to my guy for allowing me to retwist his hair on camera, but also for trusting me to start his lock journey. Is definitely an honor and a blessing to have started his lock journey a year ago, and he's still sticking with the kids, still going strong. His locks look great. I'm super proud of myself, and I look forward to taking on more clients because I know some of you guys out there have been requesting appointments and have been DMing me and booking appointments. So thank you guys so much for just supporting me and my dreams because I really do appreciate you guys so much. But you guys know that is pretty much it for me. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at As Told by Brittany D. You can also find the book now button there if you are interested in booking a lock appointment with me. But you guys know this is pretty much it. Until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube, watch another crazy video of mine. Bye bye.